This is wire. Wire is a versatile sculpture tool that can be used in a number of different projects. For example, wire can be used by itself in order to make small or large-scale sculptures, or it can be used to create details or add support to other projects, such as an armature. Wire comes in many different shapes and sizes. For example, this piece of wire is extremely thin, so it could be used to add details to a project or small pieces to a wire sculpture. The next two pieces of wire are a little bit thicker and can add different types of line weight to your projects. For example, this thick piece of wire could be used to create support on an armature for a small detail such as an ear or a nose or an eye, or it can be used to create support in a larger or smaller scale wire project. Wire also comes in different colors and shapes, such as the orange, and can be used to add different details. These are some of the tools you will find yourself using as you work with wire. The first of these is pliers, which can be used to shape your wire into any desired shape. For example, if you're trying to create a square, you simply bend the wire into what size and shape you want. Next is the wire cutter, which can be used to cut wire into the desired length for your project. You just hold the wire, put the pliers in the place where you want it, and then squeeze and snap.
We will now move on to the different techniques you can use to bend and shape wires. For the first technique, you can bend the wire to give it shape. You can bend it into a curve or into a swirly. To reinforce wire or to give it shape, you can twist it around itself. Or you can get two wires and twist them around each other. For the next technique, we will show you braiding. To braid, you get three wires that are all equal pieces. If they're not the same length, you can use wire cutters mentioned earlier to cut them. Then you twist and wrap three around each other, going outside to in. Alternate between the left and the right sides. One way to make a wire shape is the simple hook. Simple hook works by getting one wire and using a hook to attach it to itself to make different shapes. Another way to make wire shapes is the hook and eye method, where you make an eye or a circle on one side of the wire and a hook on the other. And then you just insert the hook into the eye and wrap it around. One method to combine two wires to make them longer or to make a shape is to twist the ends together. A final way to use wire is to attach it to another project. You can do this to attach projects to one another or to add detail, such as here where we used a hook on this piñata armature.